Well, this is a really interesting question because in the New Testament, you have inspired authors quoting non-inspired, even pagan literature to illustrate their various points. And I don't think we would want to say that just because they quote from this literature, that therefore that literature is historical or true. An illustration would be the magicians Janus and Jambres that are referred to in 1st or 2nd Timothy, which were part of Jewish folklore and legend. These two became the prototype of evil persons in Jewish folklore, and there are different legends about them and what happened to them and how they met their demise and so forth. And just because Timothy or Paul in Timothy refers to Janus and Jambres doesn't mean that we should take them to be historical individuals that bore those proper names. So this would be an example of where the scripture can be referring to a literary figure without committing itself to the historicity of that figure. It would be just as if I said, just as Robinson Crusoe had his man Friday to help him, so I have Michael Lapine to help me in my ministry. And nobody would take that to mean that I am committing myself to the historicity of Robinson Crusoe. It's using a literary figure as an illustration. And I think that's what these New Testament authors are doing